His pants just went like this. Reapers, what is good? It's your boy Laser, using 𝐿𝐵𝐵𝐵 back with another reaction video. You've been loving the reaction content, so I continue to do that for you guys. In this video, I'm gonna ring doorbell footage that will leave you questioning reality. Guys, I always be questioning shit out here, like, nothing makes sense. But if you guys enjoy the scary content or the doorbell videos, so please hit that like button, you subscribe, and you turn noise on. It takes less than a second. I stream every night on Twitch, go check out the streams. Let's dive straight into this video. Creepy Chronicles! Oh shit, bro. I'm ready for
In this
shit.
first chilling nighttime ring doorbell encounter, we capture the unnerving
Oh, we got this
presence
fine-ass
of a
shotty.
mysterious hoodie-clad figure. As the shadows envelop the scene, this individual's intentions become increasingly clear. They are attempting to breach the sanctity of someone's home. Watch as their determination unfolds, with multiple failed attempts to access the house's secrets. The tension builds as they finally decide to make a hasty departure.
Oh shit.
In this tense ring doorbell clip, an
Hey, why you
unexpected
show this,
visitor
boy?
attempting to infiltrate a property. What makes this situation even more bizarre is the fact that our intruder seems to have forgotten a crucial piece of attire. As he embarks on his questionable mission, watch closely as he suddenly realizes he's being watched by a vigilant surveillance camera.
Oh shit.
The moment of recognition is priceless, and it sends our undressed intruder scrambling away from the scene faster than you can imagine.
Yo, what?
In this gripping nighttime ring doorbell scene, we witness the audacity of a bold intruder who confidently strides into someone's yard under the cover of darkness.
Oh, what's this boy
With
on, bro?
determination in his step, he heads straight for the door, seemingly attempting to test if it's left unlocked.
What's this boy on,
However,
bro?
little does he know that the vigilant homeowner has taken all the necessary security measures. As our trespasser's luck runs dry, he's met with the resilience of a well-secured property.
Interesting.
In this intriguing ring doorbell scenario, as the moonlight casts an eerie glow, a lone lady approaches the front door, her intentions shrouded in mystery. She boldly presses the doorbell and patiently awaits the homeowner's response. When the homeowner inquires about her purpose, she claims to be in search of her father.
Search for her
However,
father? What the fuck would her father be doing at a fucking house like this, bro?
Something about her demeanor raises suspicion. In a quick-thinking move driven by security concerns, the homeowner redirects her, suggesting she's at the wrong address.
What does that sure say? Busy fishing, thinking about fingering you, ringing about, fisting you. Oh, what the fuck, girl? Look at her shirt, guys. Oh, shit. Don't fist me. Actually, please fist me. You'll make my asshole talk a lot, though.
Do you know where, I'm looking for my dad, and he's with his friend.
Your dad isn't here.
Houses. I know he stays in this neighborhood.
Your dad is,
Sorry, you're in the wrong address.
Huh?
Damn, that thing's loud as fuck.
You're in the wrong address.
You know who I'm talking about?
Bro, she's on some heavy shit.
No?
You don't know who I'm talking about?
Who are you looking for?
808?
No, I don't know.
Okay.
Weird, bro. Weird
In
indeed.
this eerie nocturnal ring doorbell scenario, we capture the unsettling presence of an enigmatic lady who appears without warning. With unknown intentions, she stands silently before the homeowner's door, casting furtive glances in every direction. There's an air of mystery surrounding her, as she refrains from knocking or pressing the doorbell. The atmosphere thickens as we wonder what might be going through her mind.
Demons.
After a moment of contemplation, she decides to depart the property.
Interesting, bro.
In this chilling nighttime ring doorbell scenario, we capture the bold actions of an unwelcome visitor who boldly steps onto someone's porch under the shroud of darkness. With determined strides, he makes his way straight to the door, attempting to test its security. Little does he know, the homeowner has taken every precaution to secure their property. As his futile attempt to open the door fails, panic sets in, and he hastily departs from the scene.
Interesting,
In
bro.
this covert operation Ring Doorbell scenario, we capture the actions of a cunning individual who carefully surveys his surroundings. With utmost precision, he approaches someone's porch, where a valuable package awaits. As he swiftly grabs the prize, he becomes an unwitting star in our surveillance story.
That's me.
But will his quick getaway be as smooth as his
Oh, that
entrance?
boy's lighting up, bro. Can't even see him. Fuck. That boy's lighting up. What's he doing, bro? Is he digging on the ground for some leaves? Alright, smoking some leaves, I see. Oh, he sealed a package, huh? Damn, bro, those houses are positioned very weird. The scenery looks kind of beautiful, though.
In this intriguing Ring Doorbell encounter, as the night unfolds, a stranger approaches the front door with a knock, and the homeowner, ever vigilant, answers. The stranger's request for assistance with a phone raises eyebrows, and the homeowner, prioritizing safety, denies the request.
Oh, yeah?
Suspicion lingers as the homeowner, concerned about the unknown intentions, politely but firmly asks the stranger to depart.
Interesting, bro, interesting.
It's Randy. It's Randy. Do you have a phone I can use? I just broke down, right?
Bro, you gotta get out of here right now.
Sir? Go away? Okay.
Bitch.
In this heart-pounding Ring Doorbell encounter, under the cloak of darkness, he boldly strides onto someone's property and makes a beeline for the front door. Armed with tools and determination, he attempts a forceful entry, seeking access to the home's
Guys, excuse my green screen. Like, I gotta do something about that in the future. Like, how could I make it to where, like, you guys can... I don't even fucking know.
Sanctum.
I'll just move like this.
However, the homeowner's commitment to security is unwavering, and the intruder's efforts are thwarted.
Hey, boy
Watch
with
as he's
glasses.
forced to retreat from the scene.
Why? Did he have to retreat because he can't see? He has glasses, I get. His vision is bad. Ah, it's so fucking funny. Not fucking funny. You're not funny. Shut up, bitch.
Hi. You are currently being recorded.
I just know, bro, whenever you hear that sound, it's game over, bro. His pants just went like this. All of a sudden, he's dipping, bro. Hey, bro, he looks like a fine gentleman to me.
In this intriguing Ring Doorbell encounter, we witness the actions of an individual who arrives at someone's front door under the guise of an innocent visitor.
Oh, yeah?
He knocks on the door, attempting to confirm the homeowner's presence, all
yeah.
while feigning innocence.
Oh, yeah?
However, as he reaches for an item left outside, a sudden sound startles him. Watch closely as he hastily drops the item, as if to maintain his facade of innocence. After a brief pause, he cautiously retrieves the item and departs from the scene. In this daring daylight Ring Doorbell encounter, we capture the actions of a bold individual with clear intentions. Unapologetically, she walks onto someone's property and seizes the opportunity to steal. With a swift and decisive move, she grabs the table and chair left outside the house, showing no hesitation. Her audacity is truly remarkable. Watch as she swiftly departs.
Oh, yeah?
In this crafty daylight Ring Doorbell encounter, we capture the calculated actions of an individual who appears to be merely strolling by. However, watch closely as his seemingly innocent survey of the surroundings takes a sudden and deceptive turn. With a swift maneuver, he seizes the opportunity to grab a valuable package left unattended at the front door. In this unsettling Ring Doorbell clip, we capture the brazen actions of an individual who approaches someone's front door with ill intentions. His audacity knows no bounds as he brazenly snatches a valuable package left unattended outside the house. With swift and furtive movements, he hastily conceals the stolen items within his bag, making off with his ill-gotten gains. In this captivating Ring doorbell clip, we capture the actions of a passerby who, seemingly out of nowhere, makes a swift turn and approaches someone's front door.
Oh yeah?
What unfolds next is a daring heist of a package left unattended.
Oh yeah?
With a quick and calculated move, he snatches the package and conceals it cleverly with his clothing, all while trying to remain unnoticed. As he makes his escape.
Interesting, man. Interesting indeed.
In this audacious daytime Ring doorbell clip, we capture the bold actions of an individual who arrives at someone's property with a devious agenda.
Devious, bro.
With a calculated
Devious
plan in mind, he swiftly approaches the front door, where a valuable package awaits.
Oh.
Watch as he grabs the package and makes a hasty retreat to his parked car, clearly determined to escape with his ill-gotten gains.
Yeah?
In this daring daylight Ring doorbell clip, we capture the smooth and stylish actions of an individual with a clear mission in mind. Watch closely as he approaches someone's porch, his demeanor cool and calculated. With finesse, he swiftly snatches the items left unattended and effortlessly retreats to his parked car, all while maintaining an air of nonchalance.
Cool, bro. Cool beans.
In this gripping Ring doorbell clip, a lady with a knack for quick heists. Watch closely as she brazenly approaches someone's front door, her intentions clear as day. With lightning-fast reflexes, she seizes the package left unattended and, without missing a beat, disappears from the scene. In this intriguing Ring doorbell clip, we capture the actions of a determined individual who boldly steps onto someone's porch with a clear target in mind. Watch closely as he nonchalantly grabs the valuable package recently delivered to the house and swiftly retreats to his parked car, disappearing from the scene in the blink of an eye.
Damn, it's crazy, bro. Well, guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, guys. Those videos are absolutely crazy as fuck. Like, the people in there, like, damn, bro. If you enjoy the reaction content, you want the reaction content like this video, you don't know, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.